Hello from Seoul. Ever since Claire got pregnant, our daily life has been really hectic. If your days are just as busy as ours, trust me, this 15-minute teriyaki chicken will be the lifesaver. Today, we're gonna be making the simplest version of teriyaki chicken. Just like the title says, it literally takes just 15 minutes. And I'm not talking about the trend chef's 15 minutes. This is a super simple recipe that even college students can handle. So I really hope you give it a try. For this, you will need some chicken. That's it, but we can't just eat the chicken. So to make it a well-balanced meal, let's get a bowl of hot rice, some salad greens, and some cherry tomatoes. What? Sauce ingredients? Don't worry about it. Everything we're gonna use for the sauce is probably already in your pantry, so you don't have to worry about it. Alright, let's start with the teriyaki sauce. What I'm gonna make today is the simplest version. But if you don't mind putting in a little bit more effort and wanna make a fancier version, then please check out our previous video. That's gonna be fantastic. Alright, in a small container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and give it a good mix. That's it! It's unbelievably simple, right? But this sauce contains a little bit of alcohol. So for Claire, our hungry pregnant bird, let's make a non-alcohol version as well. In another container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, a quarter teaspoon of hondashi, Japanese dashi powder, and mix it well. Today I used corn syrup, but honey or even Coke works great for this recipe. So just use whatever works for you. As always, everything will turn out fantastic. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Now, let's prep the chicken. Today, I'm using 450 grams of boneless skin on chicken thighs because the fat from the skin makes it more flavorful. But if you prefer chicken breast or boneless skinless chicken thighs, go ahead and use that. No problem at all. Now, if you look at the chicken thigh, you will see it's a bit irregular. So the first thing we're gonna do is gently flatten it out using the back of your knife. Trust me, this little detail will help the chicken cook more evenly and give you the best result. Once that's done, pat them dry with some paper towels and season both sides with salt and pepper. And then lightly coat them with some potato starch. What? No potato starch at home? Don't worry about it. You can also use cornstarch or AP flour. No problem at all. Now, some of you might say, Aaron, I'm too busy on a weeknight. I can't be bothered with all of that. Okay, I get it. Then you can skip this step. But if you do, it not only gives the chicken a crispy texture, but it also helps it absorb more of the sauce. So when you taste it, it'll be much more flavorful. I'm not gonna force you. It's your call. Alright, our chicken is ready to go. Let's get cooking. In a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, place the chicken skin side down and cook for about 4 minutes. To get nice even browning, move them around a little bit and gently press them down with your spatula. Once you've got good color on one side, flip and cook the other side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they're cooked through. Here, if your chicken is too thick, the outside might burn before the inside is cooked. So in that case, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the pan with a lid. Once your chicken is cooked, wipe off the excess oil. Yes, it adds to the flavor, so if you want to leave it, you can do that too. But today, I'm gonna get rid of it to enjoy more cleaner taste. Alright, let's pour the sauce over the chicken and simmer it for about 2 minutes over medium-low heat. During this step, make sure to flip the chicken pieces over and over so that they can absorb our teriyaki sauce. Once the sauce has thickened and the chicken is beautifully glazed, turn the heat off. Now we're just gonna remove them from the pan and let them rest for a few minutes. Once they are cool enough to handle, just slice them into nice bite-sized pieces. Alright, it's time to plate this up. Let's put some rice on a serving plate and add half of the chicken, some salad greens, and cherry tomatoes. And last but not least, for extra flavor, pour some leftover sauce from the pan. Alright, our Weeknight Teriyaki chicken is done. How does it look? It looks absolutely delicious, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsors, Tokyo Treat and Sakurako. Tokyo Treat is a monthly snack subscription box straight from Japan. It's filled with a variety of fun and exclusive snacks that are only available in Japan. For example, if you open the box, you can see some limited edition or seasonal flavored Japanese snacks. And this month's theme is Sakura Night Snack Fest, where you can experience Japanese cherry blossom season flavors like matcha latte KitKats, Sakura castella cake, Sakura sandwich cookies, Twilight truffle chips, and many more. You're looking for some traditional Japanese snacks? Don't worry about it. With Sakurako, you will get local and authentic Japanese snacks from artisan snack makers, including Sakura hibiscus tea and special Japanese tableware, Sakura wagashi plate. And this month's theme is Moonlit Sakura, and you will find delightful spring season snacks like Sakura dorayaki, Sakura chocolate cookie, Sakura cream cookie, and Sakura madeleine. What? You're kind of worried about getting local snacks because of the language, ingredients, or allergens? Don't worry about it. Tokyo Treat and Sakurako provide a booklet in the box. It contains all the information about the snacks, snack makers, and even interesting cultural stories about Japan. If you're interested in experiencing Japan from the comfort of your home, go to the link in my description and use my code ANC or scan the QR code. You will get a special Japanese matcha set or get $5 off your first order. You wanna experience the real Japan? Wherever you are, Tokyo Treat and Sakurako will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Tokyo Treat and Sakurako. Claire?
Wow, the chicken is beautifully glazed. It looks super delicious. Let's give it a try. Look at this. It looks beautiful, right? 딱 맛있어 보이네. Wow. It's still steaming. It looks super delicious. 냄새도 너무 좋다. Cheers. 언제 먹어도 정말 이 홈메이드 치킨 테리야키는 정말 너무 맛있는 것 같아. 너무 맛있어. 밖에서 사 먹었을 때보다 나는 항상 이 소스가 더 맛있더라고. 너무 맛있네. 오늘 이거 미리미랑 사케를 안 넣고 임산부를 위한 약간의 레시피를 변형을 해가지고 만든 거라고 들었는데 내가 먹던 거랑 별 큰 차이 없이 너무 여전히 맛있고, 그리고 거기에 그 일본 특유의 약간의 그 다시의 향이 좀 녹아져 있어가지고 엄청 향긋하니 맛있네. 오, 원래 먹던 거랑 맛이 크게 다르지 않아서 특별히 말하지 않으면은 사람들이 잘 모를걸? 진짜 꼭 임산부 아니더라도 술 넣는 거 좀 꺼려하는 사람들은 이런 식으로 레시피 살짝 변형해가지고 하면 너무 괜찮을 것 같아. Good job! And thank you! 일단 먹어봅시다. 이번엔 밥이랑 먹을 거야. 밥에도 이렇게 소스가 사라락 묻어 있어가지고 너무 맛있을 것 같아. Cheers! 이 맛이지. 정말 맛있다. 막 이렇게 튀긴 것도 아닌데도 치킨의 그 껍질이 바삭바삭해지면서 훨씬 더 맛있게 만들어주거든. 정말 너무 좋아. 이 조리법 너무 마음에 들어. Seriously, this way, even if you're not a big fan of chicken with the skin on, you're gonna love it so much. It's so good. Highly recommend it.
Today, I showed you how to make super simple teriyaki chicken. How was it? Like I said, it's a quick, easy, and absolutely delicious, right? So trust the title and invest 15 minutes on this. If you do, just like magic, this satisfying meal will be on your table in no time. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.